I'm using Urban Company's native water purifier M2 model for almost more than 2 years for now. In this video, I will share my experience with this water purifier for this 2 years, and also recently I have changed all the filters for this M2 water purifier. I will give you all the details regarding that. My experience with this water purifier till this 2 year period is really awesome. I've never ever faced any issue, and also I was able to track the filter live from the Urban Company app, so it was very peaceful for me. No need to call the customer care and check and everything. So it was really good. And now comes to the filter replacement. So recently I changed all the filters because for this water purifier we have to change all the filters every 2 years. In app it was showing my filters life was left with 1 month. So then I opened the Urban Company app, and it was very easy to book the filter replacement in the application session where we have the water purifier. There I got the filter replace option. I just clicked on there. So I they charged me 4,999 for the filter replacement. There is no GST, extra GST or service charge or labor charge, nothing. Flat they charged 4,999, and they replaced all the filters including the RO membrane and everything, whatever is there in the water purifier, everything they changed. And again, now the filters will last for 2 years. Again, after 2 years I have to change the filter. So the technician, he brought all the filters, and you can see here they opened the filter and they cleaned everything, all the filters very well, and they replaced it. So this is the pre-carbon filter. So they clean everything well, and then they put the new filters and they replaced everything. My experience with the filter replacement was awesome. So I booked it one day before, and the next morning the technician came with all the filter and he replaced it. So it was really smooth, and it costed just 5,000 rupees for 2 years. When compared with other brands, this is really affordable, and water quality is also really good. Till the 2 years period I never faced any issue. There is no tedious drop, nothing. And this time one thing, like they removed this one. This is for tds adjusted. The version which I brought that time, they have this one. This was used to adjust the tds, but now they removed it. So what it basically does is tds adjuster will add outside water in the filter water so that you will get more tedious. So this is not a good practice, so that's the reason no Urban Company has removed that. So now we are getting the water, fully purified water. They are not adding anything, and there is no tedious adjustment now. So these are the old filters. So you can see how dirty these filters are. So 2 years period, so obviously it will be dirty, but you can see. And the one which I'm holding is the RO membrane, and this the sediment filter, and there is health booster as well. So what happens is after purification, Urban Company will add some minerals, and also the water which comes from this water purifier is alkaline. So overall water is really good. I have not no issues with this, but one thing I really liked is let's remove this. I was about to tell them to remove, but the technician himself removed, because the new versions of M2 water purifier, they don't have this mechanism. So this is basically for tds adjustment. So that time the trend was there, people used to adjust the tds, so even Urban Company added this portion. So this is basically outside water will come inside your purifier, then it will pass through the UV membrane, and that water will be added to your filter water, so which will increase your tds. But this is not a good practice, so that's the reason they removed it. So now all the servicing of Urban Company water purifier is done. Now this is how it looks, the final product. So they cleaned the water purifier very well inside and outside. Now it looks really clean. I will give 5-star rating for this water purifier, and also for the filter replacement experience. Overall, it's really worth for money. I recommend this water purifier to everyone.